And it made me realize something about what's about to happen in society that I think we should all have a little second to discuss. It's actually a 206-page study about the impact of ChatGPT on your brain. If you're using ChatGPT, you need to listen to this. What they're discovering is that people who use ChatGPT are essentially having their brains, their cognition decay. Researchers at a university called MIT, which is one of the world's best universities, conducted a study for 4 months using roughly 50 people. They split them into 3 groups. Group 1 was allowed to use ChatGPT to help them write their essays. Group 2 was allowed to use Google to write an essay. And Group 3 wasn't allowed to use any tool at all to write their essay. 83% of people that wrote an essay just moments before using ChatGPT could not remember what they had written. But in the brain only and the Google search group, they could remember basically everything. They say writing is the best form of thinking. Like if you get a pen and paper and you write something down, or you stop doing that and you just start prompting, what happens to your brain? I think it's pretty fucking scary. But listen, it gets worse because they discovered something we call cognitive debt. When long-term ChatGPT users then tried to write without AI in session 4 of the study, they performed worse than people who had never used AI before. And you know everybody's going to continue to use ChatGPT because history tells us that humans choose the path of least resistance. And ultimately, I think our brains are going to atrophy. If you don't use it, you lose it. It applies to going to the gym. If I don't use my muscles, guess what? They atrophy and I lose my muscles.